12-volt LED of Orange Park has closed permanently. Kincaid Auction has been hired to liquidate all of the inventory, tools, and equipment at an online auction. Twelvolt is a leading supplier in the area of LED products for home and automotive use. The 5-bay shop is just crammed with tools, just about anything you could imagine needed for installing LED and other customizing parts. There's a massive inventory of the latest technology in LED, and it all goes without reserve on an online auction. There'll be small lots and large lots for dealers and wholesalers. Some of the equipment highlights include an almost new 5 horsepower vertical compressor, a 10 by 24 portable building that is totally finished out with air conditioning, electric wiring, and lighting, pneumatic and electric power tools, tool chests, tool cabinets, roll-around carts, all types of shelves, floor samples, displays, a large selection of stainless steel fasteners, a plasma torch, spray guns, bead blasting machine, a sandblast, LED street lights, diagnostic and other testing equipment. And in a separate auction related to this auction and coming at the same time, we will be selling the 12-volt AquaDip image transferring system, including the building housing it. For all of the auction information, go to www.kincaid.com and follow the links to register and bid and to see the catalog. Don't tarry because the bidding ends on January the 27th.